Welcome to the Northwest Adventure, and today's episode is D stands for Devastating on the mic. So what we're doing today is unboxing a package from homewrecker.com. Within this package, I'll have some rounds that I'm going to try out in the North Cascades Mountains. Alright, we got the Razorgun Devastators 50 cal projectiles. Here's the Devastator rounds. Y'all remember these? There's countless videos on the internet about them. So here they are. These things are nice and they hit super hard. So gotta have these in your arsenal if you're into this less lethal stuff. Right now, as you can see, I do have the Devastators in it. I like these, as I've said before. Nice. Alright, so I'm going to grab my dogs, Silas Rosso and Sergeant Elias, and we're going to head east on State Route 20. So what I'm holding in my hand is a Umarex T4E TR50 50 caliber paintball pistol revolver. Zip. And here's what we'll be using. For each shot, I'll be standing about 15 feet away from the bush bean can. And don't forget the safety goggles. Although the TR50 HDR50 is powered by a CO2 cartridge, it definitely is not a BB gun, nor is it a pellet gun. So here's the Devastator rounds which I was able to recover. And here's that tin can of Bush's baked beans. Yum. So if any of y'all out there have a better projectile in 50 caliber that is more effective than the Devastators, please let me know in the comments. Thank you. And if you're new to the channel of the Northwest Adventure, hit the like button and subscribe. But don't forget to ring that bell to stay up to date with the latest coming from the NWA. So make sure y'all clean your projectiles. And yes, most of them are reusable. And here's one last look at that can, my man. 50 caliber Razorgun Devastator projectiles. Straight out of Poland. Yeah. Stay fresh and stay blessed.